Welcome, my dear English learners, to day 3 of our Shadowing English Speaking Practice Challenge. I am so happy and proud that you are here today. Coming here is the most difficult part, and you did it. That means you care about improving. That means you are not stopping. So truly, thank you for being here again. If you did not finish day 2, it's okay. Just stop this video and return after you have done it. Each day adds to the one before, and every little step you take is important. Now, why do we shadow English? Because shadowing is one of the best ways to teach your mind, ears, and mouth to work together in English, just like people who speak English from birth do. Shadowing means you hear a sentence and say it right away, trying to copy the speaker's pronunciation, intonation, and speed. Let me explain intonation in easy words. Intonation is the song of the sentence, how your voice goes up and down. For example, when you say, "Are you ready?" your voice rises at the end because it is a question. That is intonation. It is what makes your English sound normal and easy to understand. And today, that is what we will practice together. Learning English is not only about words, it is about feeling sure, sharing ideas, and trusting yourself. Whether you are learning English to pass an exam like IELTS or TOEFL, to study in another country, to travel, or to talk with people, this practice is for you. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to talk in a meeting. Maybe you just want to share your ideas freely in English. And maybe one day you will teach others, write in English, or encourage someone who is just beginning. But keep this in mind. Merely listening is insufficient. You must speak out loud. Even infants don't learn by listening alone. They attempt, they err, they try again, and gradually they learn. That is precisely our approach here. And errors, they are a natural part of the path. Don't feel embarrassed. Don't be scared. People are generally supportive. I am here for you. Today, we will practice 15 sentences together. Here is our method. First, I will say a sentence at a slow, clear pace. Listen attentively, then repeat after me, mimicking my tone and pace. We will do each sentence 3 times so you can truly absorb the language. Watch the screen. Key words will be emphasized to help you. Just 10 minutes daily, that is all you need. So, my wonderful learners, before we start, make yourself comfortable. Get a cup of tea or coffee, perhaps a small treat. And if you wish to jot things down, feel free to have your notebook ready. I'll wait for you. Take a deep breath, get settled, and when you're prepared, we will start. Fantastic. Let's begin. Let's speak. Let's improve. Let's move forward. Ready? Let's go. Day 3 of your Shadowing English Speaking Challenge. I have faith in my abilities, and I know I can speak English with assurance. I have faith in my abilities, and I know I can speak English with assurance. I have faith in my abilities, and I know I can speak English with assurance. Wonderful. Let's move to the next sentence. Each error I make is evidence that I am gaining new knowledge. Each error I make is evidence that I am gaining new knowledge. Each error I make is evidence that I am gaining new knowledge. Great job. I commit to myself because my future is worth the effort. I commit to myself because my future is worth the effort. I commit to myself because my future is worth the effort. Achieving fluency requires patience, but I am advancing each day. Achieving fluency requires patience, but I am advancing each day. Achieving fluency requires patience, but I am advancing each day. Excellent. Let's proceed. I don't have to be flawless, I only have to persist. I don't have to be flawless, I only have to persist. I don't have to be flawless, I only have to persist. Well done. I have confidence in the journey and appreciate learning something fresh today. I have confidence in the journey and appreciate learning something fresh today. I have confidence in the journey and appreciate learning something fresh today. I express myself bravely even when I feel anxious. I express myself bravely even when I feel anxious. I express myself bravely even when I feel anxious. Keep it up. Let's continue. I am developing solid English routines step by step. I am developing solid English routines step by step. I am developing solid English routines step by step. Lovely! I speak with enthusiasm, vigor, and complete self-confidence. I embrace every difficulty as it makes me more resilient. Terrific! Ready for more? Let's try the final 5 sentences together. My learning accelerates when I speak out loud and believe in my voice. English connects me to new individuals, destinations, and perspectives. Fantastic! My voice has value and I decide to express it with assurance. I practice shadowing to achieve a natural flow and clearer speech. I listen to the beat of English and I am starting to internalize it. Incredible! I am so impressed with you. You have just finished 15 sentences of English shadowing speaking. Excellent work! This challenge is becoming more and more engaging, right? We're already at day 3, and you are performing brilliantly. Remember, you can pause and replay whenever necessary. That is the advantage of shadowing. You learn at the speed that suits you. Give yourself a little credit. You are doing something truly important for your intellect, your tomorrow, and for yourself. Maintain this positive forward motion. I am supporting you throughout this journey. And always keep in mind, it's not about flawless execution. Just 10 minutes daily represents significant and powerful improvement. You are capable of this. I have every confidence in you. Take care, continue your learning journey, and I will meet you for day 4 of our Shadowing English Speaking Practice Challenge. Shadowing is a straightforward yet highly effective technique. You listen to me and then repeat exactly what you hear. You mimic my pronunciation, my intonation, and my rhythm. When you shadow in this way, you are exercising your mouth muscles, your ears, and your brain simultaneously. You are not merely studying English, you are actively using it. For this practice, I will speak at a natural pace. I will say each sentence twice so you can shadow it 2 times. Your task is to repeat after me clearly and loudly. Do not be concerned about errors. Maintain your focus until the very end. Completing this entire video will leave you feeling fatigued, but also proud and more self-assured. Take a deep breath with me. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's start our extended shadowing practice with English Fluency Teacher. Listen carefully and then repeat precisely what I say. I am ready to practice English today. I am ready to practice English today. I choose to trust in my progress. I choose to trust in my progress. Every word I speak improves my ability. Every word I speak improves my ability. I am not scared of making errors. I am not scared of making errors. Mistakes assist my growth and development. Mistakes assist my growth and development. I concentrate on progress, not on being perfect. I concentrate on progress, not on being perfect. I allow myself to learn at my own pace. I allow myself to learn at my own pace. I am constructing my English ability gradually. I am constructing my English ability gradually. I am more powerful than my uncertainties and anxieties. I am more powerful than my uncertainties and anxieties. Today I select confidence instead of fear. Today I select confidence instead of fear. I awaken feeling prepared to learn. I awaken feeling prepared to learn. I begin my day with an optimistic attitude. I begin my day with an optimistic attitude. I drink water and get ready for the day. I drink water and get ready for the day. I look into the mirror and smile. I look into the mirror and smile. I tell myself, I can manage this. I tell myself, I can manage this. I schedule a short time for English practice. I feel thankful for another day to get better. I review my objectives for learning English. I understand that minor steps create major transformations. I am prepared to use English today. I settle in a quiet spot to study. I eliminate distractions and concentrate on English. I open my notebook and take a full breath. I pay close attention to every word I hear. I repeat every sentence with complete focus. I sense my tongue moving more freely now. I like hearing my own voice in English. I am tolerant and compassionate with myself. I am aware that practice creates daily progress. I am proud of the work I put into learning. I get to work or school punctually. I welcome people with a cheerful good morning. I pay attention when others talk to me. I attempt to reply in English when possible. I inquire when something is unclear. I am not scared to ask, could you repeat that? I write things down to recall new vocabulary. I try out new words in actual sentences. I value myself as an English learner. I know I improve each time I make an attempt. I open my preferred English learning channel. I pick a video that benefits my speaking. I listen to the instructor with total concentration. I repeat after the instructor with assurance. I picture myself speaking to an actual person. I attempt to imitate the teacher's natural flow. I appreciate learning from home or any location. I utilize my phone as a learning instrument. I believe technology supports my English growth. I am grateful for the simple availability of English. I like chatting with my friends in English. I smile and initiate basic conversations. I ask people, how did your day go? I listen to their responses attentively. I express my own opinions and emotions. I try to sustain the conversation. I laugh and appreciate the moment. I feel more at ease each time I talk. I realize that genuine practice develops genuine confidence. I am glad to interact with others in English. I visualize myself visiting a foreign country. I reach the airport feeling enthusiastic. I use English at the check-in desk. I say, "Good morning, this is my passport." I ask, "Could you tell me which gate for my flight, please?" I thank the employee for their assistance. I feel a sense of pride communicating in English. I order meals and beverages in English. I politely ask residents for guidance. I love discovering the world using my English. I answer the phone with a steady voice. I say, "Hello, this is me speaking." I listen attentively to the caller. I request a repeat if necessary. I talk slowly and distinctly on the phone. I participate in online meetings with confidence. I present myself in clear English. I express my ideas without hesitation. I know pausing to think is acceptable. I feel increasingly confident after each call. I acknowledge that errors are a natural part of learning. I do not allow mistakes to hinder me. I gain knowledge from every error I commit. I forgive myself promptly and continue forward. I speak up even when I feel anxious. I understand that courageous people also experience fear. I decide to take action despite feeling afraid. I prioritize communication over flawless speech. I reassure myself that I am getting better every day. My courage is greater than my fear of English. I hold significant aspirations for my English future. I wish to interact with individuals globally. I wish to travel and speak with confidence. I wish to study or be employed abroad. I hope to watch films without subtitles one day. I hope to read English books effortlessly. I want to express my thoughts to the world. I know English can create many opportunities for me. I am prepared to dedicate effort to my dreams. Every practice brings me nearer to my targets. Congratulations! You have just finished an extensive shadowing practice with English Fluency Teacher. You didn't just view this video, you've put in the effort. You spoke extensively and challenged your limits in English. This type of training is demanding, but it is precisely this kind of practice that develops authentic fluency and authentic confidence. Keep in mind, every sentence you repeated today helped your tongue, your brain, and your ears become more accustomed to English. If you feel exhausted, that's to be expected. It means you genuinely exercised your English muscles. The more you do this, the stronger and more fluent your English will become. You can return to this video and practice again tomorrow, next week, or anytime you desire a thorough speaking workout. If you completed this practice, write in the comments, "I am proud of my English effort." I will be delighted to see your comment and celebrate your progress with you. Remember to like this video, subscribe to English Fluency Teacher, and share this practice with a friend who wishes to enhance their English speaking. Thank you immensely for practicing with me today. Continue pushing forward, continue developing, and continue speaking. You are doing exceptionally well, and you are much nearer to fluency than you believe. This is English Fluency Teacher, and I'll see you in the next shadowing video.